So recently, me and Ben went cyclone fishing and Lauren had to stay at home. So to make it up to her, I bought myself a quad bike.
Pink to match his vagina.
Let's have a look at this weapon. So,
Front to back, run down on the quad.
yeah. Obvious problems is that wheel is cambered in and also towed in. But
To the race quad.
this has got a little crack. Okay, it's a big crack. A lot bigger than originally thought.
You notice it has two wheels at the front and also two wheels at the back, but they're not the same width.
Yeah, I don't understand that. I noticed this when we were picking it up. It's a seat latch. But then when we got it home, I noticed this. And it's not in as good a shape as it should be. They said it ran, but
It needed a jump start because
They
the
also-
battery was flat.
yeah, they also said
was-
it was in good condition.
It was that flat the battery was missing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. The back brakes make a noise. So like, something's going on
And the front brakes
downstairs.
are just tight.
So I think to start with, we're going to see if we can
Make run.
give it some power and see if it'll have a fire. Wait, see if it will fire, not have a fire.
Oh yeah,
We're not doing
have
it.
a fire at us and bikes.
We're not going to do an 850 again. That bike caught fire far too many times to be still in the show. Oh no, there we
So
go.
now, everyone should have at their house a brand new battery that just
Oh.
happens to fit.
Try again while you're in the...
Why does the battery come in a plastic box?
Alright.
This is a quality battery.
Yes. So we went parts shopping already, and turns out parts for these bikes are so much cheaper than like a Yamaha.
Yeah, they're real parts.
So, battery was like 30 bucks. Brand new front hubs with knuckles, the lot was like 115 bucks for two. And new shocks, because who doesn't want new shocks? We'll get to that. Come closer. Come closer.
The you should have done like 80-year-olds do and leave it on.
It is on.
Oh me.
What?
The seat condom.
The seat con. Oh. Nah, it looks better on you. Matches your. I don't know. It matches something. So what are you doing here?
I'm just trying to do this up because that's not the right thing to go in that hole. Normally it has a square square nut to sit in there, but this one does not.
So I left the toolbox
Also,
in the front yard.
that's
Yeah. I was going to say, why isn't it in its spot?
because then I can't get down there with a screwdriver that way.
Oh, that makes sense.
Do you want to go get the toolbox? Go for a walk, camera.
No, don't put the cat.
Alright, so battery's in. Battery is yeah, I'm gonna say installed. It needs some sort of holdery over top ideally.
I found my glasses too. They were out in the sun. It's quite warm.
Does this count as a mask?
Yes. Yeah, do it again. Okay, so that's garbage, man.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know. Put like a hair tie or something. Look, there's a thing for a hair tie
Yeah,
there.
correct. You got the hair tie?
Nice. That seemed to move awfully easy. Which way's choke? That way or the other way? Yeah. You've done something. What's this switch? Is that a switch? No. Oh, has it got an idiot?
pull that.
idiot
pull
brake
that all the way.
thing?
Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. We're not off to a good start.
Does it have a seat? Make sure it's on button.
No. Oh, turns out it's a button. Really? Is that a... Surely that was just coincidence. Why is it every time it doesn't work? It Runs good, man.
Also don't know which way Tracy
I can taste the fuel in the air. Why do people always lie to me? Why do people always lie to me when I buy them a car? Why am I still so trusting?
Yeah, I don't know which way it's on because I assume that's off.
Very loud. It's a little smoky. Come on, man. I moved in a week ago. You reckon you'll fit between those two cars? Well, we gotta pop the bead. We gotta pop the bead because it needs a valve stem.
I'll take care of that.
Oh, you want a seat? I'm hoping it's the right one. It looked like the same one, so I just bought it. That needs to go. Yeah, it needs to run, but I need oxygen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought you were one of those new age people that didn't need oxygen.
So there's some weird stuffs going on down here. Okay, now see them other screws they've put in there, but them ones, yeah. Pull those out, and then use the ones with the washer to take their pieces.
I'm gonna try and pull them out from under.
Yeah, there's one.
Yep, very good.
I'll just... That's negative on that one, bud. Let's see what they've done there.
They've used a bit of whatever the hell that is.
Yeah, because the frame's got a crack through it.
Also, it's a sandwich plate.
Yeah, pretty much. But now,
We can weld that.
Now put the... I wonder if he remembers the front end's about to collapse. And it's got a flat tire. Whoa!
Doesn't turn as well as you think it would.
Smokes from the front more than you think it should. It's forgotten there's a tray over there. I don't think you'll fit. It also appears it doesn't have a reverse. That is truly one of the worst sounding things I've ever heard run.
Beast. Actually, it's kind of quick.
You say that, let's do front end stuff. Because I think the front end's everything I have.
We are putting on.
Something safe. Hey. Bit more. Yep, perfect. Yeah. Safe. Alright, now let's reposition this. And I think we ignore the flat tyre. Because it needs a valve stem that's not here. And I think we should do the bad looking side. Oh, it is also that same side.
Also, that's on everything we need.
No, it isn't. Let's pull the hub off. Because the shock should hold it.
You got wheelie chairs here anyway?
There's one wheelie chair somewhere. I believe it's in the other room next to us.
Also, we put that where there's no space beside the.
Yeah, but
Does it slide forward?
but there's video space here. Stop. Do a wheelie again. Coming forward.
Oh.
You went back like 2 foot. Yep. Yeah, that's safe.
Yeah,
Gonna do. What I reckon we're gonna do. It's very dark in here. We're gonna pull. Can I get light on here? We're gonna pull the brake cable out, and then because I was smart and just bought the whole knuckle, we're just gonna undo this and throw that to the garbage, except for the rim and tire, and then slap a new one on. But while we're doing that, we might as well put new shocks in, because
Imperial!
one of these, what is this one? One of these is in not so good a shape. Not so good.
Yeah, not so good.
Let's pull that apart. Okay, so camera died. So we get this end, this side fully assembled. It's all new. The nuts that came to hold the wheels on were just normal nuts with spring and flat washer, so I've changed that and I've left the spring and flat on, but then thrown a nylock on as well. It's not the greatest solution, but it's what we got. So new shock, Ben's favourite green, certainly not blue. New knuckles, new axle. We did pull one of the shafts apart and see actually the hub apart and had a look at it. It does have 2 sealed bearings, so you can't really grease them anyway, but they're in there, they're clean, they're new. So I mean, for 115 bucks I wasn't rebuilding a bushed piece of anything, so just buy new ones, it'll be fine. And now I've got spare parts. The seat, we're gonna have to, well, not so much the seat is in good shape. The frame under here is actually cracked, so they've added a plate and it doesn't quite allow these 2 pins here to go down properly, and it just doesn't lock in, so we're gonna have to modify that or pull this off, weld that plate, maybe even a different bit of flat bar to reinforce it a bit. Alright, so I've been looking under the seat how I can fix this, and it's a bit more than just one weld, and the welder I have here, I don't have the fitting for the gas, so we're probably going to end the video here, but I got a crack to weld through here, another one through here. This looks like a grinder cut, and that's all in the rear end. I've had a good look over and it is only those 3. I'd say someone stood on the back trying to do wheelies or something stupid. That's cracked, and then being bent, they've probably just cut this to put the plate they had, which was just a bit of like T-alley extrusion. They just had it screwed in there. So that's where we're going to stop, unfortunately. But next time